Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got a big gap under the front door. Now, this one troubles a lot of people, and I get a lot of questions about it, so I'm glad I could make the video for you. We're gonna get this bad boy filled. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Hey homeowners, check out the new Home Mender e-course, Homeowners Edition, just for you guys, where we learn to fix everything under the roof and the roof too. So we've got this hideous gap under the front door here. Now it's got wood under there. It's probably like the filler from the threshold, but it's gonna stay wet and it's gonna rot out. We need a solution for this. I've got a good 1.25 inches here. It doesn't look very pretty and it's letting water in. So I've got my mortar here. It's about $4 a bag. Let's go ahead and set some water in there. Now we're gonna mix this up so it's pliable. It's not going to be runny. Make sure your water gets to all the dry pockets. All right, we got it mixed up to like this here. Not runny, it's definitely pliable. Now before we put this guy in, you wanna make sure that your threshold is not gonna give when you step on it, because that'll just crack your mortar. So make sure you get it good and shimmed so it's secure before doing this. I'm just gonna set my mortar right here and push it under the door. Now I brought this fancy tuck point tool, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna need it because it doesn't go in very far. But this one here is so you can push it in underneath things. It's for tuck pointing bricks. Let's go ahead and push that in under there. Now this will also work if your door is like unlevel. Set your new door in so it's functioning, and then you can use the mortar to fill the gaps. Now this is going to be waterproof, and it's basically concrete, so it's pretty hardcore. Get everything full. Put on more than you need, because we're going to fill it and then take the rest off. Once you know it's good and secure in there, you can take off what you don't need. Give it a good push. All right, once it's filled in, you get the excess off. Now I'm using my big yellow sponge to wipe across. Gives it a nice finish. So that's it, just a quick tip about filling under the threshold. Now I did have, back in the day, I had one of my early bosses had a toilet flange that was sitting a 1/2 inch up off the floor after the toilet was secured and would rock. So we needed to fill that 1/2 inch around the toilet. I have used this, used a little tuck pointing tool and push it under a toilet. Of course, that was when I was new and didn't know that you need to build up the subfloor to do that, but it did work. This works for filling your door jamb issues, your threshold issues. And again, if you're setting in a door that's uneven, you don't know how to seal it, you can go ahead and set the door so it functions properly. Fill it with mortar, it's gonna hook you up. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.